The BOCC report is sponsored by Jim Marsh Automotive of Las Vegas, Kia, Chrysler, Jeep, and Body Shop.
Nevada chapter of the American Planning Association, Nevada Leadership Program, UCED, regarding February 27 Nevada Planning Guide and Professional Development Opportunities offered by the chapter.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman and members of the Commission. For the record, Fred Steinman, Steinmann. I'm an assistant research professor with the University Center for Economic Development, part of the College of Business at the University of Nevada, Reno. And I also currently serve as the chapter secretary for the Nevada chapter of the American Planning Association. And on behalf of both the chapter and the Center for Economic Development, it's my pleasure to present each one of you here today, and of course in Pahrump, your very own copy, printed and bound copy of the February 2017 Nevada Planning Guide. The Nevada Planning Guide is the culmination of about 2 years of research and update to the chapter's existing Planning Commissioner's Handbook that was originally written and published in 1999. And given the development and activity in the state, we felt that 20 years was too long to wait to update the Planning Guide, so we published the Nevada Planning Guide itself. The chapter is the state chapter of the National American Planning Association, and both the chapter and the Center for Economic Development at UNR, we both share a similar educational and outreach mission, and specifically in the world of planning and economic development, really to provide educational opportunities to Nevada's elected and appointed officials, government executives, and members of the public when it comes to various issues related to planning and economic development. And really the guide itself, which is available on both the chapter's website and the website for the Center for Economic Development, is really designed to do just that, translate Nevada economic development and planning law into understandable words and concepts and best practices that individual communities can employ throughout the state. In addition to the printed and bound copies of the Planning Guide I have here today, in the guide is also some additional information about the chapter, our upcoming annual conference, which will be in Las Vegas this year in partnership with our brothers and sisters at UNLV in October, as well as some information about the Center for Economic Development and some of the professional development training opportunities we offer through the Nevada Leadership Program, which is part of the center. I know we're right up on your 11 o'clock public hearing, so just again, thank you very much for the opportunity to present you the Planning Guide and some information about the center and the chapter.
Thank you. Any questions?
No, a comment. When I read your backup in here, I was tickled to see Skip Canfield on your board, so I'm good to go with it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Just a brief comment. I noticed too that this would be good for people to read. You know, it goes through the whole history. They first adopted planning laws in 1921, and in 1924 they revised them in 41 and 47. They revised them again in 2013 because planning is like those things, living documents, and they need to be reviewed a lot.